Holmarc's inspection microscope with boom stand, model HOCM-MV202, is an advanced, high-resolution tool designed for detailed inspection and analysis. This Zoom Stereo Microscope features a trinocular head with super wide-field optics, providing excellent visual clarity. The microscope is mounted on a durable single-arm boom stand, offering versatile movement, allowing the user to adjust the microscope head along two axes. The magnification range spans from 10x to 60x, achieved through 10x eyepieces and a zoom ratio of 1x to 5x. This flexibility makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, from detailed inspections to precise measurements. The HOCM-MV202 comes equipped with an adjustable LED ring light that provides cool, even, and bright illumination for clear visibility, and its intensity can be adjusted based on the needs of the task. The trinocular port allows for the addition of a digital camera for inspection and recording, further enhancing its functionality. The included camera features a 5MP CMOS sensor with an active imager size of 5.7mm by 4.28mm, capable of capturing high-resolution images in various formats. Its USB interface ensures easy connectivity to computers for image capture and analysis. This microscope is ideal for use in research and industrial environments, particularly for tasks requiring high-resolution observation, such as quality control, material analysis, and scientific research. Its user-friendly design, combined with advanced imaging features, makes it a powerful tool for professionals across various industries. Holmarc's inspection microscope with boom stand, model HOCM-MV202. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.